beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. I know this is kind of random, but you'd be surprised how many times I get requests to do videos around how to lighten your underarms or how to just avoid razor bumps. I'm gonna share with you guys hacks on how to lighten your underarms. If there's any discoloration, just basically get the perfect shave underneath there. In the summertime, a lot of us like to have that area very clean. It's really easy to get like red bumps, discoloration under there. You can be kind of self-conscious about it. These are just all my tricks I do to get the best underarms out there. If you want more videos like this and want me to do, maybe I was thinking like a body tips care routine, how to get rid of body acne, cellulite, how to make sure you get the best bikini line. You do want that thumbs up, just so I know. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and become a part of that fam jam. But let's just stop talking and let's jump into it. Underarms can be extremely sensitive. It's really important when you do remove the hair that you do it properly. To begin, just like we cleanse our face and we have a facial routine, it is important to cleanse before you do anything underneath your underarms to give it a clean base. To cleanse, I personally like to use a mild soap or even a cleanser and just to rub it underneath there and take a washcloth to really make sure I'm scrubbing all of the extra product that's left over. Once I do that, every so often I like to use an exfoliant. So this is a sugar scrub that I'm showing you, and I actually got it from Scentbird. I'll link my link down below for it and my discount code. I don't make any money off that. This isn't sponsored, but just in case you're curious to check it out, I thought I'd throw that in there. But this has been the exfoliant I have been using on my body recently, and I do really enjoy it. It smells super great as well. But moving on to the purpose, it is really great to exfoliate underneath your underarms. This is just really gonna get rid of any dead skin that causes darkening. So once you do this, you have a clear base now to go in and do your hair removal. I personally tend to shave. However, you do have to be really gentle because when you are shaving constantly, it can lead to irritation, dryness, redness, and eventually bumps develop and your skin may start to darken. I would say the best tip is to really wax, but I know sometimes you don't have time for that and you just want to get rid of it right away and you'll shave. So when I am going to shave my underarms, I make sure I'm extremely careful and I take my time. Your hair underneath your underarms are different compared to, let's say, your legs because they grow in different directions. So you can't just shave going in one direction. So this means that you can't just shave in a downward motion. You have to go according to how your hair is growing. So you might have to turn your razor according to the hair growth of your underarms. So deodorant is the next step, and deodorant is actually really essential, not only because it's gonna make you smell so fresh, help with that body odor, but it can actually help to prevent darkening underarms over time. However, it has to be natural deodorant. If you haven't already made the switch to natural deodorant, I encourage you to switch over. There's a few reasons why you really want to use natural deodorant. This is the deodorant I use. I've shared this in a lot of videos. I'm sure you know about it by now, but it's just native deodorant. It's a part of my daily routine, of course, because I use this deodorant every single day. This is the only natural deodorant on the market right now that I personally tried and actually loved and switched over. I've tried different things through the years and I've always went back to my other deodorants because I just didn't like it. Found something that smells good, that lasts on me, and I personally enjoy. And I do have a discount code with them. It's just Nicoletta10. You can get 10% off. It's usually always in the description box just in case you want to check it out, as well as they have free shipping, which is always a plus when it comes to brands online because it just makes it so much more convenient. Natural deodorants don't have aluminum in them. Aluminum is a metal that is used to actually plug the sweat ducts in your skin, which can stop your body from sweating and is proven to cause cancer. So that is why natural deodorant is much better because it doesn't have that metal in it. And as well as a lot of natural deodorants have like baking soda and coconut oil in them. Those are actually really great to help with your body odor over time and as well as with the darkness of your underarms over time as well. Just wanted to throw this out there because I've never said this before. When you do switch over to a natural deodorant, it might take you like a week or two for your body to adjust to it. Obviously everyone's is different, but because you've been using deodorants full of chemicals for numerous years and you've had the aluminum and parabens and everything, your body is so used to it and it needs to kind of like, it's kind of like you're detoxing. And then once you keep using your natural deodorant every single day, you're gonna notice a difference, and in the long run, it's even better than using these chemically based deodorants that kind of just more damage than good. But that is the last step I like to do when following up with my underarm routine. Now I'm gonna move on to my 2 top hacks I like to do to lighten them if I just find a lot of discoloration or it's just a little bit darker and has that aftershade color. These are the 2 pastes that I like to put underneath my underarms. For the first one, all you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of water. Put it into a bowl, mix it all together, and you're going to scrub it underneath your underarms for about 5 minutes. You're gonna do this twice a week and you will start noticing results after at least less than a month. Baking soda is extremely affordable and you can do so many things with it, and it is seen as a really great tool to use when you do wanna lighten your underarms over time. The next one is take a bowl. I took 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Once you put all the ingredients in, you're just going to mix it all together and apply it 3 times a week. And this is going to give you more fair underarms in less than a month as well. So turmeric is just super great because it's an antiseptic agent that fights bacteria as well as free radicals, causing dark spots on skin, inflammation, and redness. Turmeric is commonly used in face masks because it does help to lighten and brighten up your skin tone and fade away any dark spots. I definitely like using this one as well. Something I would recommend is, of course, don't do this right after you shave or get anything done just because it can irritate your skin, but you always want to test patch anyways, both of these things whenever you're using anything on your body because you really don't know what's gonna affect you or not. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, as well as don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're part of the Nicolette's Fam Gym because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And to make sure that you're notified and don't miss an upload, make sure you guys click the bell button where the 2 little dings come. So that means you will be notified every single time I upload, but you do know my upload schedule. So if for some reason YouTube doesn't notify you, you know that I upload on those days. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!